Hey everyone, welcome back once again to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well. So I made the cutest crocheted piece ever. Let's make it together. We need some yarn, red of course for the heart, green for the leaves and a shade of brown for the pot. If you have two shades of brown that will be better. All these yarns are yarn Olivia as I always use the same. You need some aluminium wire and these lights I got from Amazon for 100 rupees set of 2. Really convenient. One thing I forget to mention, a foam for stuffing. These wires are really easy to bend even with your bare hand. So I'm trying to give it a heart shape. All these products I'm using, I will link them on the description. We can even cut this wire by a scissor too. So after you're happy with your shape, cut and twist the bottom like this. Now we will wrap the light around the shape. This process actually took double the time than I imagined. But once you're done, it looked really pretty, like a fairy wand. I just got obsessed with the look. So let's move on, and with the red yarn, we will make 100 chains now. Just yarn over and pull and count till 100. Now you can always add a little extra if your heart is bigger, add more chains. After 100 chains, it will look something like this. Now for the pattern, I will use the exact same pattern I used to make these lavenders some months back. If you guys have not seen the video yet, I will link it in the description. Please do watch the same. They are still fresh like the first day. To make the pattern, first, after the 100 chain, we will again chain 6 and a slip stitch on the first one. Move on to the second one, a slip stitch and chain 6 and a slip stitch in the same. So each 100 chain, make 6 chains and a slip stitch and continue the process. So it will create some loops like this and it will create the spiral on its own. Finish till the last chain and I will meet you guys over here. So if you guys do not understand any step or my explanation, please do let me know in the comment section below. I will surely try to help you out, guys. So this is how it looked like after the 100th chain. Cut the yarn. I'll leave a little extra so that we can use it to tie the heart later on. Let's make 2 tiny leaves now. I'm using a smaller size of wire. You can use the same one, works pretty much the same. If you need this much smaller leaf, take double the wire or maybe a little bit extra than the double so that we can attach it really well. Then with the green yarn, I chained 15. If you need a bigger leaf, go for a little more extra chains. After the 15th chain, you pass the wire from the 15 chains like this. Now with the wire, including the wire, you make double crochet or half double crochet or maybe single crochet will also work. So make 15 of them in the returning pattern like this. This can be a little difficult at first, but just ignore the wire, just make double crochet or half double crochet, whatever you choose, and keep making them. Just keep the wire in between. So I am making half double crochet. So if you make double crochet, the leaf will be little bigger size. After you're done, just bend the wire like this. On the top chain, we will make 2 to 3 half double crochet on the same one. Now we will again make same amount of half double crochet, this time including this side of the wire. So this will create a small leaf like this. So we need 2 of them. Now this is the best part to assemble all the parts together. First, this red portion, we just have to spiral it around the heart like this. You do not need any glue or do not have to tie any knot, just simply spiral. Just tie a knot including both the ends, or you can use a needle too if you want. You just have to simply cover the portion with a green yarn and add the leaves in between, and that's it. Now the final part is our base. I choose this brown colored yarn. First we have to make 2 circles. I made a magic ring and 8 single crochet and slip stitch in the end. If you need a detailed and a slow process to make the circle, you can refer to my old videos as well. The parrot hat, the flower coasters, all of the pattern mostly include this round always. So for the second row, for all of this 8 single crochet, we will make 2 single crochet on each of them and a slip stitch in the end. Third row, we will start with a double crochet, then on the next one we will make a single, then a double. So alternatively double, single, and we will do it till the end and a slip stitch in the end. For the fourth row, we will start with a single, then 2 of them on the next one, then a single. So we will follow the pattern 1 2 1 here and follow up till the end. For the next row, we will start with a double crochet, then 3 singles in a row, again a double, 3 singles and a slip stitch in the end. So we have 2 more rows left. For the next one, we will start with 2 singles, then a double, then 2 singles. The last one, we will do a double crochet first and 5 singles and a double again. And that's it, we have the circle now. Cut the yarn, leave a little yarn so that it will be easier to stitch in the end. We need 2 of them. On one of them, we will make the pot. When you reach this point, to make the pot, you just have to make single crochet all around. You do not have to make any increase or decrease. Just keep making rows after rows and it will come up like this. Rows after rows, it's totally up to you how much wider the pot you want it. Then you need a sponge or a foam like this. So I always used to collect them for all over. Whatever I buy, I just keep them aside. So this came really handy in case of this kind of projects. So cut a small piece which will be in aligned with the circle and cut it out, which will fit into the spot perfectly because the yarn is always stretchable, or in an alternative you can use clay as well. So now with the other circle you will pass this from this middle portion like this, and then the wire will have a grip because of the sponge. Now for the sides we will use a needle and stitch the sides like, and that's it. It looks really pretty. It can be a perfect gift idea for your loved ones. Do let me know how do you liked it. See you again on my next video. Bye bye.